let me show you how to search for apps and also how to install applications on these newest Samsung Smart TVs. So there are two ways how to install apps on these TVs. First, I see on the top, if you go over here in the apps, then if you scroll all the way down here, I see you have different categories for the apps that you can choose from. For example, so you can open some stuff here, let it load. So for example, yeah, we have some stuff here. We have different games, for example. So I can simply select something, and once you click install, the app will get downloaded and installed on the TV. And then if you're wondering how to search for any app, so if you want to search for apps, we actually have to use a universal search. So in this app window, you can't search, which is absolutely ridiculous in my opinion. So if you want to search, you simply go here in the universal search. So this is what it looks like, and you simply go up a bit, and then you can type in here something that you want to search for. So for example, if you enter something and search for it, it will list all the results for the term. And if you navigate downwards here, there will be a section for apps. So you see, it basically found all the Amazon apps for me. So like Amazon Prime, Music, and this Loon as well. So if you want to install it, simply click on the app, open it, and then I see you have the install button. So we can install it. And once it's installed, you can open it, and also you can add it to home screen as well. So I suggest do that. And so I see it will offer there. So you can simply move it wherever you want to and place it there. And then at any time, we, for example, can launch and use this new app. And yeah, overall, this new system design for the Samsung TV is generally not very well thought out. So again, it should be over here in the apps, the search function, not over here. So I do not like that. I wish it was there. So very weird. Okay, good luck.